Rain or shine, we're getting our grind. Open cab. Getting it. Understands it. Getting ready to be a car dealership. The owners from next door bought the lot, and they're clearing all this off. This is the office. Clearing all this off, and this is the car dealership next door. They're moving some of the cars over, and they live all the way in the back. There's 2 offices. They're gonna close one of them and open this one up. Smart idea. We got 2 lots, different vehicles, you know. But still living off our birthright. And we think these people are from Morocco. Because when I came up with the flags, they came rushing up to me. Hey, we're from Morocco, I said, hey, yes, this is Morocco. Islam? Hey, it's Morocco. It's Morocco flag. You know Morocco was established in 1956. It's all good. But you know the truth. So here we are on this job. We're Moroccans. Not the Moroccans. People go, we couldn't get the job because it was too big, the stump's too big, blah, 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 blah. They didn't know we had L's and A's out here. But maybe now. And we're right down the street from the Chesapeake Police Department, which is pretty cool. You know, just to show the unity in the community. That's good stuff. Fire department is right down the street. The green top, of course. Ha ha ha, green top. This is my birthday present right here, believe it or not. Just having my brothers out here working together on a big project of mine is heaven. I can explain it all day. The unity, the synchronicity. None of us are talking, but we know exactly what needs to get done. I give little pointers here and there, and we get the job done. It's a good time to get guys really trained and certified and licensed and all these other terms that we use when we're just on the land that we always did. So we got the riding thing out here. Got another machine on the way. Hopefully she gets here very shortly. We'll take one of these bad boys back. But yeah, there's a will, there's a way. If there's an L, there's a bay. Peace and love, Muslims, football as well.